two-humped Bactrian camel has developed a miraculous natural armor to survive the extreme elements.
This coat is not just for survival. It is the source of one of the most coveted natural fibers in the world.
As spring arrives, these majestic creatures naturally shed their heavy winter coats, a process known as molting. Camel wool is prized for its incredible thermostatic properties, keeping one warm in the cold and cool in the heat.
The harvest begins with the delicate removal of the outer coat to access the precious down underneath.
Because a single camel yields only a few kilograms of down per year, this material is exceptionally rare.
This initial attention to detail ensures that only the highest quality fibers enter the production line.
These massive piles will soon undergo a series of rigorous cleaning and refining stages. Raw camel wool is a complex mix of dirt, sand, vegetation, and different grades of hair.
Maintaining natural colors is essential, as it reduces the need for harsh chemical dyes later on.
Coarser hairs are not wasted. They are diverted to make durable rugs, tents, and heavy-duty blankets. After sorting, the wool is categorized and prepared for the intensive cleaning phase. This mechanical agitation knocks out even more dust and small vegetable matter. The difference is striking. The wool is now airy, light, and ready for deep scouring.
The upcoming scouring process is a highly controlled sequence of baths and rinses.
As the wool enters the water, the true transformation from raw hair to textile fiber begins.
Next, we'll see how this wool is washed, dried, and prepared for the carding process.
The industrial scouring process is a continuous journey through several stages of cleaning and rinsing.
To prevent the wool from tangling or felting, these mechanical arms move with a slow, rhythmic motion.
Purity is the goal. Every fiber must be stripped of grease and dirt to reveal its natural luster.
Between each tank, the wool passes through squeeze rollers to remove dirty water before entering the next stage. By the third tank, the natural color of the wool begins to shine through as the impurities vanish. Controlled heat helps to dissolve the stubborn lanolin, the natural wax found in camel hair. After the final rinse, the wool is clean, neutral, and ready for the most critical phase, drying. Excess water is removed mechanically first to save energy during the thermal drying process. Dryer, where hot air is circulated at precise temperatures. Overdrying can damage the fiber's elasticity, so the moisture content is monitored in real time. The air jets keep the wool lofty and prevent it from clumping together as it dries.
As the moisture leaves, the natural elasticity and springiness of the camel hair are restored.
The transformation is incredible, from dirty, matted clumps to pure, voluminous fiber.
Using air transport systems prevents
kilograms of wool every hour with ease.
An even feed is essential for the precision of the high-speed machines that follow.
Strands.
Process of carding. To ensure a perfect final yarn, the machine must receive a precise and constant amount of fiber.
Thousands of fine wire teeth work like a giant comb, gently pulling the fibers apart.
For the first time,
The quality of the carding determines the strength and smoothness of the eventual yarn.
Blended together in the drawing process.
This blending averages out any slight variations in the wool, ensuring a high-grade product.
camel fibers, making them silky and sleek. Take on the organized structure of textile material.
Controlled humidity in the room is vital to prevent the dry camel hair from becoming static. Combing creates camel top, the elite raw material used for premium suiting and coats.
In this factory, nothing is wasted. Every grade of fiber finds its specific purpose.
The natural oils of the camel hair, combined with the alignment, create a beautiful sheen.
The roving process gives the sliver its first slight twist to provide enough strength for spinning. Modern textile plant.
The tension must be perfect. Too tight and the fiber snaps. Too loose and it clumps.
Each bobbin is tracked to ensure the yarn produced is consistent with its batch. We are now ready for the final mechanical magic.
In the final chapter, we witness the final stage of transformation happens here, where roving is drawn out and twisted into yarn.
Spinning gives the wool its structural integrity, turning loose fibers into a strong, continuous thread.
The drafting system elongates the fibers to the exact thickness required for the designer's specifications. The rapid rotation of the spindle inserts the twist, which locks the fibers together permanently.
Textiles.
Quality control is a rigorous process. Every batch is tested for strength and elasticity.
Uniformity is paramount. Even the slightest thick or thin spot can ruin a luxury garment.
This product leaves the factory.
This warehouse represents months of work, from the desert plains to the spinning frames.
These cones will soon travel to the world's leading.
The yarn is now ready to be woven into the coats and sweaters we know and love.
The softness is unparalleled, a result of the gentle handling throughout the factory. Often referred to as golden fiber, it is a symbol of sustainable luxury and timeless elegance. It offers warmth without weight, luxury without excess, and beauty that lasts a lifetime. The iconic camel coat is a testament to the enduring appeal of this natural wonder. This fiber serves as a bridge between an ancient way of life and the modern world of style.
The next time you feel the softness of a camel wool garment, remember the long journey it took to reach you.